Now, an Eyewitness News alert. More and more people are dying from drug overdoses in the state. In the first 2 weeks of January, the Rhode Island Health Department says there were nearly 24 accidental deaths. That's twice the normal rate. And tonight, health officials are making a plea for those with substance abuse problems to get treatment. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell is live in the newsroom now with what she's learned.
Mike, health officials say these overdoses are happening all over the state because of different kinds of drugs to people of all different ages. In fact, health officials tell us there's no obvious connection among the people who've died. The Rhode Island Department of Health is issuing an urgent warning about deaths caused by drug overdoses.
We are seeing twice as many drug overdose deaths as we're used to seeing.
In the new year, 22 Rhode Islanders have died of drug overdoses. Health officials don't know why there's been a sudden spike, but they do know almost all of the deaths, in fact 18 out of 22, happened over weekends.
Most of the drugs we're talking about are drugs that people would use consistently. It's not like binge drinking, so it almost looks like binge drug use.
The people who've died of accidental overdoses range in age from 20 to 62. Health officials tell us all of the fatal overdoses are unrelated.
I think people live in a certain kind of denial sometimes, that they can get high without risking death. And I think the thing to emphasize here is, getting high is risking death, and risking it quite significantly.
That's why health officials are pleading for people to get help.
For the first time, because of the Affordable Care Act, treatment is much more affordable and available because people who used to be uninsured can now seek treatment.
State police were also at today's news conference to remind people about the Good Samaritan Overdose Protection Act. The law says if you or someone you know is suffering from an overdose and you call for help, you won't be prosecuted. Live in the newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.